Hi everybody, this is George again. If you want to start playing jazz guitar, try shell voicings. In my first shell voicing videos I introduced the minor 7th chord, which actually is the same voicing as minor 7th flat 5, because we don't play the 5th in shell voicings. And I introduced the dominant 7th chord and the major 7th chord. You can also play them here. Minor 7th, dominant 7th and major 7th. Let me give you an example playing all 3 chords in a very common jazz progression, the autumn leaves. I hope you now feel like trying it out. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up button, and if you enjoyed it, subscribe and stay tuned. Next video coming soon.